Hey YouTube, in this video we're just going to change out the AC knobs that are in your Tacoma. And so what I was seeing is that in order to change them, the easiest way to do them is to have them all face up one way, a specific way, and just to have them straight up. Okay, so those are the old ones, and then these are the new ones that we're going to be changing them to. So hopefully they look cool. So let's see here. So what I saw in the video was all you have to do is just pull out, just like that. Okay, and then to install it, just be sure the little dot is faced up. Okay, and then just push in like that, and there you go. Bam, that's simple. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and just turn the key once, like that. Okay, now we turn that on. Bam. So we can see the lights up all the way around it. It's really cool. All right. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it off. That. Okay, so that one's done. So this one, the same. Just pull out. Okay, make sure the dot is face up. Push in. And it's ready. All right. Cool. Okay, so this one's giving me a little bit of a hard time. There we go. All right, dot up. Push in. Installed. Cool. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and let's just turn the knob. Bam. Let me turn these lights off. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys.